What's Fruffy doing? Hey, Fruff. What do you want? Fruff, what are you doing? Huh? What's going on? Arl? Oh, you're so sweet. You love Katie? Uh-oh. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? What are those kitties doing over there? Making a lot of noise. Yes, they are. Leave the kitty alone. He's not doing nothing. Fruffy, come. Guys, that's enough. Come on. Leave the kitty alone. Never mind. Hey, lay down here. Lay down. Good boy. Katie, Katie, come. Never mind. Leave the kitties alone. They're not doing nothing to you. Come on, get over here. Fruffy. Here, stay. Stay. Come lay in the crack. Come on. Good boy. That's right. That's right. Yeah, that's a good boy. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. He's just such a cute boy. There's the kitty over in the chair watching. Keeping an eye on things. Yeah.